So hi guys, today we'll talk about redundancy and replication that we previously discussed in brief. So today is the detailed class on that. So in distributed systems, as we know that there is a network call between different machines. These are network calls. So these systems are fault prone. There might be failures, network failures. So we need something to handle this, so that is why the principle of partition tolerance came. That is where the principle of partition tolerance came. So this partition tolerance this partition tolerance has two major aspects. First one is the redundancy, the second is the replication. Cool. So first let's discuss about redundancy. Cool. So redundancy is basically duplication of components. See, these both terms they sound quite similar, but they have a difference between them. So you need to know the difference that is actually present for a better and clear, crystal clear understanding. So it's basically a duplication of the components. So if one component fails, the other is present as a backup. Cool. Example is GPS. So there are two different types. So the first type, we are discussing the types. So the first type is active redundancy. So in this, if we have the load balancer present here, so it has multiple servers, S1, S2 and S3. So here equal load is distributed, equal load on each of them. Contrary, on the passive redundancy, the problem is that if first operates, then the second is not operating, and if this is operating, this is not operating. So this was the key difference between both of them. So this was all about redundancy. In the next class, we'll talk about replication. Thank you.